Hey, how's it going? Oh, tea now and read a book. Anyway, tonight's activity has to do with this backpack. I bought it a couple of summers ago, I want to say. And I got it from a flea market, or at a flea market. You know, somebody selling specialty stuff. And the lady I bought it from, I believe she said it was handmade. This is not handmade. This is made in China. I'm almost certain of it. Actually, I was able to find this backpack or with a similar design, exact same with these little zipper pulls and everything. I was able to find that on Amazon, and I thought, okay, that lady, yeah, that was a scam. I don't know. But I really liked it, and I use it for work. I use it for my meetings. If I have all-day meetings, I just took it there yesterday. We had Professional Development Day. And I keep a notebook in there, and I also put my iPad in there when I have regular meetings. And what else do I put in there? Odds and ends. Like I have, this is, not this one, but this is filled with like ginger candy and coffee candy. Very important to have for all-day meetings. Coffee candy for the night owl. And the first time I used it, I took it to work, and I think it might have been this one. I pulled on this or something, and it came off. Now, these are very easy to break, and I'm going to prove it to you. See? Comes right off. I don't know what this is made of. Maybe it is silver-coated plastic. All right, too far in. Sorry about that. I don't know. You can't really see. I can't really tell. I want to say it's plastic, but I mean metal, but that does not look like metal to me. So I can break each one of these. I want to hurt a little. You hurt me. Maybe it's made out of rock or some type of slate. I have no idea. But, you know, I wanted to take them off anyway, and I thought I'm going to do that on camera because, because to show you how easy it is to break these off. Okay, then this one I covered with fabric tape. Right, I'm going to take that off. I hope. I hope I'm going to take it off without taking off the whole thing. Now, what I'm surprised that I haven't done yet is I'm surprised I haven't broken it there, right? So I want to I guess I want to add more length to these zipper pulls. I was going to say I'm going to make zipper pulls, but that is just terrible, terrible. What does it sound like? Oh, that's not that's not a really good indicator. I don't have a. I just don't. Oh, I have this. Just a moment. I don't want to throw this one down, but what's that sound like? It does kind of sound like metal, but what kind of metal breaks like that? So easily breaks. That's my hot glue. Well, it was the former hot glue holder, I guess, for the gun, to put the gun on. So this is the idea that I started playing with this afternoon, to take this plastic, which is the new and improved, it really is improved, new and improved holder container for the Crystal Light tea packets that I buy. The only problem is, you see that white? That's plastic that is distressed. You know, when you bend it back and forth, like these are the tabs that I made, right? And they're kind of white on the edges. I don't know how well you can see that. Oh, see, I forgot to cut that. Okay, so I cut those and I thought, hey, I need to measure these. They're a little bit longer, I mean, wider than I want them to be. Right? I want them to go like that. And at the times, and I'm thinking, not really thinking, it's the weekend. It's Saturday. First I was thinking I want to put them together, but now I want them maybe not to put them together. So I want to cover these with fabric tape and put them on here. But I also need to, the first pair of scissors I used was these Fiskars, and then I used these Fiskars, and this plastic reminds me of the Javalia cold brew coffee bottle. I think it's about the same type of plastic, I think. So I'm going to use these because these cut just as well. Let me see. Put them away so I don't get hurt. Don't hurt yourself. Okay. I want to, one of these, alright, this has the edge from the bottom, when I cut the bottom. Oh, here. Maybe that's the top. Okay, this is the top part. So there's like a little ridge there. And I want to cut that off. So let me put this. I'm going to put this over here. I'm sure a cat will come to inspect because that's a new item. Ooh, new item. I'm actually in the, I don't want to say in the middle. I'm not in the middle. I'm in the middle of watching a video, one of my videos. The Bottle Trio video. What I want to do is I want to watch my thing videos. That's all because, oh yeah, I see that. Want me to come down? It's kind of iffy to hold it, but that's the idea to. So if I cover this with fabric tape, I'm also going to wrap it with the tape. The only problem that I'm having is the fabric. So I don't want to, let me look at that again. I don't want to use fabric, I don't want to make new fabric tape, that's what it is. Those thoughts, they escape me sometimes. Okay, I'm going to make this a little bit. That's a little bit, I should make it like a little petal or something. Make a little petal. Can I take a nail file to those or something? Okay. And we could make my own nails. I need to make my own nails. Okay. Oh, that is perfect. That's perfect. Okay. I am tempted to cut through this and start over because, you know, there is a hole there. I mean, it's loose. Right? But I don't want to hurt myself. This is kind of sharp. That's why I had the fabric tape on there in the first place, because to make like not too, I should have made it bigger or something, but the point was to, so it's not sharp, and I think that was the first one, and then the next time I used it, I snapped it off again, and I thought, man, I was not expecting all of them to be that so flimsy, so brittle. Maybe the word is brittle. What's the word? Oh, Now I have to cut this to look, to look like, yeah. Sure. Oh, maybe I should take, I'll be right back. I don't want to make new fabric tape. I want to use what I already have. Why is it there? I don't know why it's there. I have. And I'm not really concerned about it matching or not matching this design. I will show you the design again. It's got some gold. It looks red in the screen panel, but it's orange, like a burnt orange color here. Brown, dark green, some, like I said, a golden color or yellow color. And I wrote with brown fabric marker on there. And then I also put I did stenciling. I don't know what I used. I don't know what, I used one of my stencils that I have, I think. So I thought, well, I can just use bits and pieces. So I can use maybe this orange part here. And it's okay if it has the pink on there. I really don't care because I use that for work. Or I can use some of this maybe. I'm going to zoom out. So I can use that. Put these aside. Let's see what else I have. I thought about using that. Not so much this one. This one. I don't want to go too far out. Oh, I can use these. Right? I can use some of these I have. Also have this one. A few of those. I do have that. I'm going to take the bigger pieces that I have. Ooh, I can use that. Mix and match. This actually doesn't fit, I don't think. Does it fit on here? Oh, maybe it will. Now it will, I think. Because I trimmed it back a little. Oh. That might work. Let's try that one first. Push it aside. Okay, I'm gonna get the thingy off here. Also, I'm working on not saying certain words. I noticed this past summer, that I am saying in my previous videos, I don't want to do it like that, maybe. Ooh. I'm saying type of deal. You know, that type of deal, this type of deal, that type of thing. Oh my goodness. I was going through watching my videos that I had already edited, so I'm not going to go back in and edit. And, I'm also telling myself, don't cover the other one, Tammy, because you need to use it as a template. A master copy. And, yeah, that was good. I need my tiny scissors. Tiny scissors. My tiny box. And I'm just cringing now when I'm watching these videos. Oh, you know, like the one I just uploaded today was thing number 88, and I think I said type of deal, not type of deal, but type of deal 2 times in the same video. I'm like, oh, Tammy, I didn't realize that I say that a lot. Is it covered? Oh, that's covered, right? Okay, I also want to trim this, and it's gonna be more like, I think I'm safe as far as not cutting the plastic. I think I'm pretty safe there. Okay, I just realized a problem. Go ahead, tell me in the comments the problem I am going to encounter by doing this. Oh yeah, might get a little sticky. That's not what I'm thinking of. What I'm thinking is, how now am I going to put this on the pool? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Not a problem, because this tape, this fabric tape, does not do a very good job of sticking to itself on the design side. Right. However, now I'm pulling off on the plastic, and it's doing a very good job of sticking to that. Very, very. Be careful. I know it's just tape and all, but... So, I challenge you to go back to all of my videos that I have up there so far. Well, by the time this one goes out, all 100 videos will be up there, and I'll be keeping an eye out on type of thing, type of deal in editing. Last night, I don't know how I did this last night, because I was sleep deprived for Professional Development Day, as usual, nothing new there. But what I did was I went in and I finished editing Thing 90 Part 1. Yeah, I had to make up Part 1. Oh. It's backwards. I think it's backwards. I'm sorry, was that getting on your nerves? It's kind of backwards. Oh, I don't want to change it. I'm just going to leave it like this. And now I'm going to do the other one in the other direction. Uh-oh. Yeah, the one I just lost. Misplaced. It's only a temporary misplacement there. There it is. Okay. Boy, I just got things all over the place. Don't worry. Not a problem. Okay, on here. I'm going to put this one on like this, so that they don't come and fit together like a glove, or, you know, fit so smoothly together like that. I'm going to, on purpose, make them go in opposite directions. That way. Now, this one I'm going to use as, hopefully, I'm not going to do this on camera because I'm going to just make, I'm going to cut these. Gonna cut them wide. That's 2, enough for 2. Because I'd rather cut them too wide than too narrow. 2, 4. So, oh, that's all I need. That's all. And then maybe I'll make a whole mess of them and sell them. Yeah. Although that would be interesting because, or maybe I'll just make a whole mess of them and use them for decorations. Hey, I can make flowers because they are like petals, right? I said cut them like a flower petal, right? So what I did first when I made this was I cut it like this, much thinner than this, narrower, I should say, and then I did this. I don't know why I did this, but I'm going to show you that I did not do this part, but I'm going to do it anyway. I can't do it. See how it turns white? It's that type of plastic. Not all plastic turns white like that, but this type of plastic turns white. And the video that I just posted was the stamp scrubber, and I used this type of lid, the Temptation snack lid. Oh, it's dirty. Shame on you, Tammy. And I noticed that this, when it flips up, back and forth like that, you know, all the time, that it starts to get white there. And I said, well, it's that type of plastic. This is on a container of receipts and stuff that I need to shred. Is that why it's dirty? As it sits underneath my desk there. So that's what it does. Okay, so maybe I'll just do one for you on camera. I need a glue dot. I'm using the used glue dot because now it's a temporary one. Okay. Are they really permanent? They're very, it's very unstable. Is that the word? That's the word. Okay, I'm gonna do. And maybe I'll do it like this. Yay! Oh. Let's just do this. Cutting, holding it very tightly to keep it in place. Hey, not too shabby. Like I said, it's not an exact fit, but it works. Yay, so I can use that one and just keep that glue on there, that glue dot, and just keep using it over and over. And that is weird. That's weird. And then use them. So what I'll do is I'm going to cut the other 3 that I need and then come back in and cover them with tape and chat or something. I don't know. I'll be right back. Okay. I only have about 15 to 20 minutes because I just put the cat's food out and then took an emergency potty break. It wasn't an emergency one, but I thought, oh, I better do that before I get started again. So what I did was I cut them out, and I was thinking too, I cut 4 out, and I was thinking right before I turned off the camera, I was thinking, oh, I'm just going to cut 3 more. Because that's what I was thinking, I needed 3 more. Because I showed one on camera. I don't know where that other one is. So I cut 4 more. Okay, no problem. So I'm going to cover this one. I hope I'm going to cover this one. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh my. I don't know if it's going to cover all the way. That is I think these scissors will cut this plastic. Okay, I have to get up close and personal. Yes, however, okay, how was I off camera? I probably was, but I'm sorry about that. I had to see See what I was doing? Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to cut it back a little to see. Okay, now I think it'll fit. I keep seeing like a point up there. I think it'll fit. Yes, it'll fit. And I'm going to do that because I'm going to have to bring, what is that, Tammy? The backpack over. You just have to get the sticky part to stick to your finger and then to kind of pull the liner off in the other direction. I want to look. I want to look. Oh yeah, I have to. I know. I'm going to do it this way. I hope I'm going to do it. The reason I'm doing it from the top down is because of this right here. See how that is? I don't have another piece of this pattern tape, and I want to keep at least keep the two of them the same design. Okay, let's see. We'll see. Now, I'm going to do this. And I'm not going to cover it, and I'm going to cover my finger with the tape instead. And then because I want to round off that edge there. Like that. Sticky stuff, which is very good for this project. Okay. I'm going to do it this way, and it's going to be weird. I wonder if I can... Oh, isn't that weird right there? I wonder if I can color, use a marker, Sharpie marker or something, and color that light and dark blue, or maybe just dark blue or something. Can I cut that? How much? Hear me thinking? I do have to be careful because there's not much of this on that metal, so-called metal part. I'm just gonna say so-called because I don't know if it's metal or not. It's so easy to break it. Okay, what am I cutting? Yeah, come on. I was stuck. That was weird. Why was that so hard to cut? Excuse me. I am getting over a cold. So I got that cough hanging on. Okay. Okay. That works. Alright. I should take a picture. Hey, take a picture. It lasts longer. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in. I want the Teen Almond Read a Book on there. I'm gonna put this like this. Oh! Awesome! It's just that, what is this? What is this? I'm gonna zoom in some more. What is that right there? That's weird. It's a different color blue than the rest of this. That's strange. Oh, whoa, whoa. Right there. Gonna take a picture. Are you ready? Smile. Yay! Okay. How close are we? Go out a little. I don't want to go too far in. I've noticed if I go too far in, things tend to blur. And I don't know. Okay, now, do I want... Maybe I put them... Oh, I have to be careful, right? I have to... do that. It's on my foot. Is there a cat on my foot? So I'm just basically waiting for the cat's timer. And I was thinking, I wonder if I can get this done in 15 to 20 minutes time. Sure. Sure I can. Okay, so I've done that. And while I'm at it, before I do those, I'm going to do these. I want to straighten this out. I'll just do it on this side here. One. Okay, so those are cut. Put those up there. Alright, let's work on these two. I was like, which way am I going? Am I going this way? If I am, I'm going to cut this excess fabric off. Oh, they cut fabric too. Good scissors. Okay. Okay, how am I doing it? Ooh, that's it would have been nice to have extra on that other one that I just did. But no. Now. I think that's, sorry. I hope that's not too loud for you. I was watching, who was I watching today? Somebody testing out markers. and throwing the markers down on the mat, on a hard mat like this. I'm thinking, stop throwing your markers. That's very loud, especially if people are watching or have headphones on or earbuds on or something. Once again, I'm going to do it in that direction, so at least something's going to be uniform. Oh, I can... Oh, see, I could have done it that way. Hello, Tammy. Hello. Move it a little. Oh. Things are sticking. The backpack is sticking to the table. You know, it's not sticking, but... Now that I have to... Where did those scissors go again? Got the little stickies off my scissors. Yay! Can I do this without moving the thing now? I want it to go that way. Oh, this has like a little... Can you see it? A little thing. A little hangover there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now I want to... I want to go this way. If I want to go that way. No. No. I want to. Like that. Ah, sticky, sticky. I could, you know... I know, I'm gonna finish it. I finished my thought. I could put it together. I'm gonna try it now. Uh-oh. No! No, the worst thing is when this tape sticks to itself. That's frustrating. It's not the worst thing, but it's a frustrating thing. Okay, so I want it to go that way, right? And then cut around the top, I guess, right? That's better. Okay, it's kind of frayed here, but that is my fault. I have to be more careful. Okay, now this... Oh, that's a bummer. I'm gonna zoom in a little for a shot. smile. I just heard a kitty jump down. It's gonna be there's a kitty coming. Okay, so I'm gonna feed the cats, and then I'll come back in and do the last 2 pulls. Zipper pulls. I'm gonna zoom out. And I think I'm gonna put this down like this. Oh, you know what I'm gonna have to do? These are at the top. I'll be back. I get so distracted sometimes. Okay. I get so distracted. I'm now watching Thing 8 and 9 video, and I was so into it. I'm like, hey, you got a project you're doing here. Cats are fed. Wait. Oh no, she hasn't come up. She's gonna bug me in a few minutes. I know it. All right, if she can even wait a few minutes, because Stormy, she's gonna want a snack. I know it. Especially since I just now said the word. Oh, I gotta go bug mommy. Yeah. Does it matter the direction, Tammy? I don't think so. So... No. Okay, just a minute. Maybe it does. Maybe it won't cover it. Maybe I'm going in the wrong... Which is, I can't remember. Alright, fine. Whew, that was close. Okay, there's hardly anything at the top, Tammy. Remember that. Okay, now... I'm going to kind of put those back there. I want to see... I am going like this. I want to do it like this. Gonna open this up a little. These are much shorter. So when they broke off, I got most of the pull part came off. So I kind of have to be careful. Always be careful. Hey. Okay. So I only had to watch... Not a lot up there, Tammy, remember? I only had to watch part 1 of the bottle trio. Where is that thing? Oh, it's right there. Okay. And I'm kind of going back and forth. I have 2 tabs open for YouTube. One on my channel where the videos are, and then the other for the playlist. How's that part right there? Yay! And I'm just hoping you can see this. Okay, let's see. So this is... I don't think I'm going to worry about it. I do want it to go that way. Okay, that way, right? That way. I keep telling myself that. I don't know if that's going to do me any good. See how I'm turning it there? That's key, because I might get distracted and do it wrong. Okay, what did I say? I don't know. What did I say? I want it like this. I think I want it like this. I got one of the YouTube royalty-free music songs in my head. Oh, way short. Now, did I pay attention to computer? Did I pay attention to how much was at the top? There's not a lot at the top. Wow, that worked out really well. We'll see how bendy that is. This is really bendy. Look at that. But maybe there's a little more metal on this side than on this side. But this seemed like it was very short. It's still gonna work. Give that a thumbs up. Okay, now, can I do... Yes, I can. I'm wondering if I should do it. Center it. I wonder if I should turn it, Nah. I think that's it. Okay. Got another picture going. It looks a little crooked. A little crooked. I just did that. What is that? Should I be concerned? You know what? I think that's the brown coming off like this goes underneath here. That's what I'm seeing. I thought it was mustard or something. I'm thinking, damn it. Wow. These actually look better than these two. More matching, I mean. They even look better on here. Practice makes perfect. Okay, get ready to smile. Or, well, you can smile. Smile while you're saying crafty. Say crafty. Blue says hi. Maybe he's going to say bye because we're going to sign off. What? See? I'll be there in a moment. Have a unique day.